More showers and thunderstorms, but it won't be a washout though here on our weather outlook. Welcome back. I'm WeatherWorks meteorologist Joe Martucci here with our midweek weather planner. We're stuck in this dog days of summer pattern where we're seeing dry mornings but afternoon showers and storms. It might be impacting your work here or any outdoor activities for the afternoon. Have no fear though, we're going to break it down for you in terms of what the driest times will be for the rest of your work week. And we're going to start here with our national satellite. Big high pressure over the region right now, and that's actually bringing in some more unstable and humid weather, which you probably noticed the uptick in humidity today. Meanwhile, Friday night system is out here in the Midwest with this associated cold front and low pressure system. And then we also have a high pressure system in the Southwest and a low pressure system as we go into the Rockies. Now, for tonight, still going to see these showers and storms, especially if you're just north and west of the I-95 corridor here. Low temperatures will be in the upper 60s to the low or even mid 70s as you head down towards DC. By the time we get towards midnight and afterwards, we should just be mostly cloudy with areas of fog. Now, Thursday morning starts out dry. However, as we go into the afternoon, there will be a couple of showers and storms around. Again, it's going to be north and west of I-95. If you're south and east of there along the coast, you're likely going to be dry for today. And we're thinking only about a 20, 30, maybe 40% as you get closer to the Great Lakes. Here, chance for a shower or storm. It's still going to be sticky out though with high temperatures in the 80s pretty much everywhere. The exception will be Washington, D.C., where they're at 92 degrees for tomorrow. Then on Friday, pretty much the same story. It's a rinse, wash, repeat pattern here. Showers and storms during the afternoon. It's just going to be isolated, though. Notice how the line's a little further to the north and west. So cities like New York City, Hartford, Boston, all looking pretty dry on Friday before that cold front that we were talking about earlier comes on in for Friday night into Saturday. High temperatures on Friday going to be in the 80s and then again the low 90s as we go into DC. Now, for your outdoor outlook, Thursday, we're going to see a bunch of yellow lights pretty much up and down the eastern seaboard. The only exception will be Boston. I'll give you a green light there. Still think there's about a 20% chance for a thunderstorm, but that's going to be late in the day or maybe even in the early evening. Then on Friday, as we have that line of storms shifted to the north and west, most of the major cities here up and down the I-95 corridor, you're looking good for any outdoor work. The only exception will be Scranton with a yellow light, just because you're a little further interior in parts of the northeast. You're going to see a couple of thunderstorms as we go into the afternoon. No, overall, though, I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans. Just keep your eye in the sky for that. So again, I'm WeatherWorks meteorologist Joe Martucci. Austin Armstrong has our blog on Thursday covering the weather for the weekend. In the meanwhile, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, all at WeatherWorks, or on Instagram at WeatherWorks LLC.